Students, today I will solve linear differential equations. Linear differential equations. Students, what is linear differential equations? The differential equation of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q, where p and q are constant, are functions of x only, is called linear differential equation of first order in y. Okay, such type of equation is called linear differential equation of first order in y. Example, students, dy by dx plus 3y equal to cos x. Here p equal to 3 and q equal to cos x. So p and q are constant, are functions of x only. तो देखो p इक्वल टू 3 कांस्टेंट है, q इक्वल टू cos x which is a function of x. तो such type of equation is said to be linear differential equation in y. Similarly, students, if the differential equation of the form dx upon dy plus px equal to q, okay, where p and q are constant, are function of y only, is called linear differential equation of first order in x. ओके, तो इस टाइप का जो डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन होगा वो भी लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन होगा फर्स्ट ऑर्डर का, किसमें, x में. अगर इस टाइप का होगा dx अपॉन dy इक्वल टू px प्लस q, और यहाँ जो है p एंड q क्या होगा, कांस्टेंट फंक्शन होगा या तो y का फंक्शन होगा. अब फर्स्ट टाइप वाले में क्या, p एंड q या तो कांस्टेंट होगा या तो x का फंक्शन होगा. तो देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. ओके, हाउ टू सॉल्व the linear differential equation. So therefore, students, we will study solution of linear differential equation. Solution of linear differential equations. Okay, तो स्टूडेंट्स टू टाइप्स के डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन है. फर्स्ट टाइप, if given equation is in first form dy by dx plus py equal to q, then solution of the equation y into integrating factor equal to integration of q into integrating factor dx plus c. Okay, where इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर इक्वल टू ई टू द पावर इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ पी डीएक्स। तो ये फार्मूला स्टूडेंट्स हम यूज करेंगे फर्स्ट टाइप वाले लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन के लिए। देखो y इंटू इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर इक्वल टू इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ q इंटू इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर dx प्लस c, वेयर इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर इक्वल टू e टू द पावर इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ p dx। ओके, इफ given differential equation is in second form dx upon dy plus px equal to q. In this equation students, p and q are constant or functions of y only. Okay, then solution of equation इज x इंटू, देखो यहां क्या था y इंटू, तो x इंटू इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर इक्वल टू इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ q इंटू इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर इंटू dy हो गया। यहाँ देखो dx था तो dy प्लस c, वेयर इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर इक्वल टू e टू द पावर p dy। यहां क्या हो गया p dy। With the help of these formula students, we will solve the linear differential equations. Now we will take examples. Okay, example number 1, solve the differential equation x dy by dx plus y equal to 3x square minus 2. Solution of first example students, given x dy by dx plus y equal to 3x square minus 2. Okay, first of all students, we will convert given differential equation in standard form of linear differential equation. Okay, for this students, dividing by x on both sides, dividing by x on both sides, we get dy by dx plus 1 upon x into y equal to 3x minus 2 upon x, right, which is standard form of linear differential equation, which is linear differential equation. Therefore, comparing this equation to standard linear differential equation dy by dx plus py equal to q, we get students p equal to 1 upon x and q equal to 3x minus 2 upon x. Okay, therefore integrating factor of given differential equation e to the power integration of p dx or e to the power integration of p equal to 1 upon x dx, e to the power 1 upon x integration of 1 upon x log x. We know that students e to the power log x equal to x. Therefore, we get integrating factor equal to x. Hence, the solution of linear differential equation y into integrating factor equal to integration of q into integrating factor dx plus c. Putting the value of integrating factor and q, we get y into x equal to q इक्वल टू 3x माइनस 2 by x, 3x minus 2 by x and integrating factor x dx plus c are xy equal to integration of multiplying by x we get 3x square minus 2 dx plus c are xy equal to 3 integration of x square dx minus 2 integration of 1 dx plus c are xy equal to 3 integration of x square x cube by 3 minus 2 integration of 1x plus c, 3 and 3 cancel, xy equal to x cube minus 2x plus c are dividing by x on both sides we get y equal to x square minus 2 plus c by x, which is a solution of given differential equation. Okay, solution of example number 2. Given y plus 3x square dx upon dy equal to x or dx upon dy equal to x upon y plus 3x square. Students, this equation we cannot convert in form of linear differential equation. For this, students, we will inverse of both sides. Okay, we get dy by dx upon y plus 3x square upon x, यानी जब भी नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स अधिक हो डिनोमिनेटर में तो आप उसको न्यूमरेटर में ले जाएंगे, तभी वो ब्रेक होगा टू टर्म्स में. ओके, और dy by dx इक्वल टू y अपॉन x प्लस 3x डिवाइड कर दिया, इट इज इक्वल टू dy by dx माइनस 1 अपॉन x इंटू y इक्वल टू 3x, विच इज linear differential equation, which is linear differential equation. Okay, comparing standard form of linear differential equation we get, students, p equal to minus 1 upon x, coefficient of y equal to p minus 1 upon x and q equal to 3x. Okay, therefore integrating factor e to the power p dx, p equal to minus 1 upon x dx, that is equal to e to the power minus 1 upon x dx or e to the power minus log x. Okay, it can be written as, students, e to the power log 1 upon x minus log x equal to 1 upon x, ये माइनस यहां से हटा दिए, that is equal to 1 upon x. Therefore solution of given differential equation y into integrating factor equal to integration of q into integrating factor into dx plus c. Putting the value of integrating factor equal to 1 upon x equal to q, value of q equal to 3x and integrating factor 1 upon x dx plus c, that is equal to y upon x equal to x and x cancel 3 dx plus c or y upon x equal to 3 out of integration 1 dx plus c or y equal to x equal to y upon x equal to 3 integration of 1 with respect to x plus c or y equal to 3x square plus cx. It is a solution of second differential equation. Okay, example number 3. y dx minus x plus 2y square dy equal to 0. Solve the differential equation of y dx minus x plus 2y square dy equal to 0. Given differential equation y dx minus x plus 2y square dy equal to 0 or y dx equal to x plus 2y square dy. Okay, therefore dy by dx equal to y upon x plus 2y square. अब स्टूडेंट्स देखो नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स डिनोमिनेटर में अधिक है, इसलिए हमें इसको इनवर्स करना पड़ेगा. therefore dx upon dy equal to x plus 2y square upon y or dx upon dy equal to 1 upon y into x plus 2y or dx upon dy minus 1 upon y into x equal to 2y, which is linear differential equation in form of dx upon dy plus px equal to q, where p and q are constant or functions of y only. Comparing given differential equation to this equation, we get p equal to minus 1 upon y and q equal to 2y. Therefore integrating factor e to the power p dx, that is equal to integration of t equal to minus 1 upon y dy or e to the power minus 1 upon y dy or e to the power minus integration of 1 upon y log y. It can be written as e to the power log 1 upon y, that is equal to 1 upon y. Okay, now solution of given differential equation x into integrating factor. देखो यहाँ फार्मूला चेंज हो गया क्योंकि ये सेकेंड फॉर्म का डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन है, लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. x into integrating factor equal to integration of q into integrating factor into dy plus c. पहले यहाँ dx होता था, अब क्या होगा dy. पुटिंग वैल्यू x into 1 upon y equal to q equal to 2y and integrating factor 1 upon y dy plus c. Y and y cancel, x upon y equal to 2 out of integration 1 dy plus c, or x upon y equal to 2 integration of 1 with respect to y plus c, or x equal to 2y square plus cy. It is a solution of the given differential equation. Okay.